Hey everybody, I want to give you an update of what's going on. So I'm out here at the bee yard with the bear fence. I've got, if you guys can see, these weeds. They are briars. They're pretty terrible. I'm going to run them over with the weed eater. A year ago, Roundup was my friend, not so much this year. So I'm going to use pool salt, vinegar, and Dawn. I've got a 5-gallon backpack sprayer. Going to give that a shot, clean this stuff up, weed eat them first. Also, too, want to get close to where the fence is because I don't want it to touch and ground out. Clean this up, level out some hive stands, and get this thing ready to go. So, just want to let you guys know what's going on, and I will report back about the Dawn vinegar pool salt trick. See if it works. All right, so this is the final version here. I can put 2 there. 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, which needs to be leveled up. I still got plenty of space here and over here too. I think this is enough to get going. Big difference. This is where one of the hives were that the bear got. Over there, underneath my swarm trap, is where the other one was. So I think we're new and improved. But I'll put some rocks down to get the tar paper down. Nuke coming tomorrow, so that'll be the video tomorrow. Just need to figure out where we're going to put their new home. So anyway, thanks for watching.